Hey guys, it's Mel and I'm working on some salad here. I'm actually part way through it and I'm saying to myself, why am I not sharing this? Why am I not giving you guys ideas? So just to get you up to speed, so far I have my lettuce, my spinach, I have some cucumbers, I have some red bell peppers, and I have some pomegranate seeds in the salad. That's so far. And I plan to put some beets in it, so normally I cook the beets. And I cook it in the skin. I wash it, cook it in the skin. And now I need to go get a pair of gloves because it's going to be messy and I'm going to cut up the beets and I'm going to put that in. So I'm going to work on the beets. I'm going to put it on top. I have other toppings that I'm going to include because I want to make sure the salad is hearty. It's going to be a meal. And so I'm going to continue working on this. And I'll let you see what it looks like as it progresses. So there we go, guys. I have my beets. I peeled it. That's the skin. And I have it diced up. And of course I'm using a glove because this can be really messy. But the thing is this, it's so delicious. It's so good. I love having these in my salad. So I made the effort to prepare it, and it's going to form a topping on my salad. So maybe I can do a little bit here just to give you an idea. I'm putting on this one on top, and I portion it just like that. I'm going to finish the others, and I will get back to you guys. Fast forward to the salad being completed. I actually got some chicken, diced them up, put it on top. There's also some nuts in there as well as the beets. So it's a complete meal now. I had raw sliced almond in it. It's all done. So, and then I also have some chopped walnuts in it. So this is what the finished product looks like, guys. This is what it looks like. And if you hear any sound in the background, that's my mom. So I hope that was informative to you. Just to give you some idea, it was not a tutorial. It was just to give you some idea of what you can do with a salad to make it fill in.